Hey guys, so today I'm here to give you an angel reading, and I just feel that your angels have a lot of important messages for you. So, all you need to do to receive your reading is again pick a card or pick a number. I'm going to keep three options right now. Just give me 1 second. Let me remove the cards. Okay. So, you can either choose number one or this card, number two, or you can go for the number three. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to start with the reading now. So for people who have chosen the number one, let's see what your angel guides or what messages do the angels have for you today. Okay, so for you, I'm getting this message of peaceful resolution. I feel that your angels are letting you know that you truly deserve peace in your life, and very soon you're going to be into an environment full of peace and love. I don't know why, as I have just turned this card, I am feeling that anybody who's chosen number one, there has been something very heavy going on in your life, and you just need a break from the drama, or you need a break maybe from your workplace. You need a break from some sort of heavy relationship in your life, and I'm just getting that peace is the way to go. I also feel that maybe you are a very kind soul, and that you do not like to engage in a lot of fights. You just like your peace, you like to be with yourself, you like to do your own thing, and it's just that continuously people keep triggering you, or they keep testing your boundaries. But the angel guides that you have, or the angels that you believe in, they are reassuring you that very soon this peace is coming your way, and you're going to feel a lot better in the coming time. So keep holding on. So this was the message for the people who chose the number one. Let's move on to number two. So this is a very interesting message for those who have chosen the number two. I'm getting the message of forgiveness. Okay, so forgiveness is actually a very personal thing, and I feel that you cannot pretend to forgive someone, or you cannot hurry this process up. But sometimes I feel that when we hold on to the feelings of the past a lot, or when we hold a lot of baggage in our hearts, it blocks our growth or blocks our success. So I'm just feeling that if you cannot forgive the other person, then release this heaviness out of your life. You can maybe even write a letter to this person, or you can just practice statements like I am forgiving. And I just feel that you also need to forgive yourself in this process. You need to release this heavy energy out of your life. Give it time, don't rush it, take it one day at a time, but definitely practice this. I feel that the success you crave, the new things you crave in your life, the growth you crave, the abundance you crave, the relationship you crave will speed up after you have done releasing, and after you have forgiven yourself and maybe somebody who has hurt you in the past. And I think that in the coming time you're going to attract a lot of happiness for you in the future. So do not worry. The angels have your back, the universe has your back. Just practice forgiveness. And colors like pink and orange, they usually belong to Archangel Chamuel. You can look it up online. So that is the Archangel of forgiveness and love and self-love. So you can work with this angel. So yeah. Let me see what message is coming for the people who have chosen the number three, and a lot of heavy messages coming up right now. I honestly didn't expect this reading to get this deep, but yeah, for people who have chosen the number three, the message that I'm getting for you is ask your angel. So this is a very vague message to see. I'm just going to be pulling out one more clarifier to get a bit more clarity on this. So I'm getting no. So I think that your angels are telling you to say no to people who really drain your energy a lot. I think that you are a person who has a lot of difficulty putting boundaries, or you don't know how to say no to people very easily. And the exclamation mark over here just depicts urgency, that you really need to learn this in your life. You really need to start putting boundaries, and you really need to start creating a safe environment for yourself. Saying no doesn't always have to make you feel bad. It's just like your angels are asking you that see, you have a very beautiful energy, or you have a higher self that you need to work with, and whatever is really meant for you will happen for you. You do not need to hesitate to cut off some people from your life. You do not need to hesitate to say no from time to time. People who really love you, they will never leave you, or they'll come back, I feel. So you really need to put some strong boundaries, and you need to believe in your energy. You have a very soft personality, I feel. So work with angels, work with Archangel Michael. I think specifically he will work out for you, since he's the archangel of protection and boundaries. So you can light a white color candle or a yellow color candle to channel his energy. But yeah, this is the message coming out for you, and I hope you guys could relate to this pick a card reading. I'm trying to make more longer videos, so you guys can get in-depth readings, and I also offer personal readings. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you could relate to it. Thank you for watching.